Hello class, and welcome to another exciting adventure of Basic Musicianship 1. Yeah. Today we're going to talk about several things. This is the first of several videos I'm going to make for today, for this week's class. And I want to talk a little bit about bass clef. We talked about treble clef on last Thursday. Let's finish up with some bass clef reading. So I'm going to share the screen here. Let's see if I can find what I want. Yes, here we go, desktop 1. And I'm going to share. You should be able to see the bass clef. Remember, we called this the F clef, and it looks kind of like an F. If you look over here, you see the two dots that surround this second line from the top, which indicates that that's the pitch F. Okay, so, and if we go through the musictheory.net thing here, which I hope that you all do, you see that the staff line between the two dots is in the clef is F, and then we can deduce the rest of the pitches there. So if we go up, the next space is G, the next line is A, and so forth, and we go down ED and goes through the alphabet. So that's basically the notes of the F clef or the bass clef. If you don't know these, you should learn them. So what you should do is go back to the musictheory.net exercises, and let's just do note identification. Let's just do some F clef over here. So I'm going to go back to the little customize wheel here, and my little window's in the way here. So I'm going to click on clefs, and I'm going to just activate the bass clef here, and we'll probably get to the C clefs in another week or two. So let's drill a little bit while we got this video going here. So this is an easy one. What is this note? Does everybody say G sharp? No, G. No, let's try F. Okay, there you go, F. Oh, here's one with a ledger line. Remember, we called that ledger line down there, way down there. So we have to kind of calculate F. If this one's F, this would be E. So we have to go backwards in the alphabet. This would be a D, C, B, A. And remember, with A, we have to start over again. So that's a G. There's an F that would hang below, so that would be a E. Yeah, I got that one right. Good. Oh, here's another ledger line. So F, G, A, B, C, D. So that's a D. Okay. What's this one? I'll give you 10 seconds. Now remember, this is, what's this one, this accidental's called? This is a flat, so this would be a D flat. If you said D flat, you are correct. Okay, here's another flat. I'll give you another 10 seconds. Okay, if you said D flat, you would be, ooh, wrong. So what is the answer? C flat. And you notice the bass clef is way down there. It's bass, just like the bass in a rock group means low. Okay, so that's bass clef. If you're not used to reading in bass clef, I'm going to stop the share here. If you're not used to reading in bass clef, you should practice on musictheory.net so these notes come very quickly and naturally to you. And remember the accidentals too, sharps, flats, naturals, and so forth. So, all right, so that's bass clef, and you're all set. Here we go.